Hey everybody, so we are doing the shrimp Alfredo baked potatoes. And what I've done, I've already peeled my shrimp and cut them in half just to stretch the shrimp even more. So all you do is go down the back . Cut them in half. I turned my head, don't worry. No food was affected in the asthma cough. And these have been peeled, deveined, and cleaned. And we're giving away the cookbook. So the chances of winning the cookbook are really good because nobody's watching my videos anymore. So here's the cookbook. Best recipes from the backs of boxes, bottles, cans, and jars. These are used cookbooks that I purchased. I bought two. They're a hardcover. And I will send you the best of the two, so know that these are used cookbooks. They're older, but they have a lot of recipes of the things that we have on our shelves. So I thought if they put them on the boxes, they gotta be halfway decent, right? So we will be giving away the cookbook. All you have to do is be a subscriber, and in the comment section down below put "I'm in." And in the next video, I will put everybody's name on a piece of paper, have my husband pull one, and the winner will get the best recipes from the backs of boxes, bottles, cans, and jars. So I got that out of the kitchen so it won't get mucked up. So first we are going to cook our shrimp. So I have some butter, and I'm going to use some olive oil. I have grated some Parmesan cheese. Oh, I forgot to mince up some garlic, so I need to do that. You can use your canned shrimp, your freeze-dried shrimp, your frozen shrimp. I just defrosted that under some cold water. Wanted to get that out of the freezer. And we are going to add our shrimp. And I cut them in half to stretch the shrimp, so you can feed more people that way. We're going to get 4 meals out of this shrimp. Rinsed my plate. Stir those around, they will cook really fast. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. When I remove these from the pan, I will get my garlic ready. I have some Parmesan that I shredded. You can use cream, half and half milk, your canned cream, your canned milk. You need to fill that up. So whatever products you have on hand, you can make this. We're going to be using some shredded mozzarella and smoked provolone, or you can use regular provolone. Whatever cheeses you have on hand. You could use the shaky cheese in the container. This can be turned into an SHTF meal. Really easy. We're not going to overcook these because they're going to go back into the sauce. So we don't want to make them rubber. For the next week or so, you all really be careful out there. Okay, so I'm going to take these out of the pan, and I am going to mince up my garlic, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my garlic minced up. We're going to add it to the pan, and as soon as you smell it, we're going to add our flour. And I'm doing it this way because I want a cream sauce. Oh, and I need to check my potatoes. You want to bake your potatoes. And make sure they're good and soft. Gotten all discombobulated now. Normally I just use butter, cream, and Parmesan for my Alfredo, but we want this nice and creamy to go over the potatoes. You put equal butter to flour, so 2 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons, whatever you use, and then 2 cups of liquid. You could use your dried cream. We're adding and that's not lumpy, that's garlic in there. So we want a nice creamy Alfredo sauce. Hey, go outside. When it's hot like this, they have a tendency to stick their head out the doggy door and bark. I'm going to add lots of pepper. As much as you like. I like a scampi that's very peppery. provolone and mozzarella. Gonna put a little bit in our sauce. I also have some grated Parmesan there. You can make it as cheesy as you want. Microplane works much better on these hard cheeses, but mine's in the dishwasher. About a half a cup of Parmesan. And I will taste this before I add salt. Definitely need some salt. This is just going to be a decadent potato. A fancy SHTF dinner. A little more salt. Then we're going to add our shrimp back in. I'm going to cut open our potatoes and put them in a baking dish. So I'm doing this in my Cuisinart oven slash air fryer thing, so I don't heat up the house. So I am going to do that, and then I will be back when we're topping them off and putting them in the oven. I'm going to go cut some scallion out of the yard too. Okay, so I cut the potatoes open. And you can cut them open any way you want. I did one open face and I did one squished. I'll add more sauce when I take them out. Grate some Parmesan. Some provolone. we will pop that into the oven, and I'll be back when we're taking it out. And I chopped up some scallion, some chives. You can use parsley. That potato's for his lunch tomorrow. So here it is out of the oven. There's the other one right there. Take our chive. And there it is. There's dinner. You could have a salad with it, sliced tomatoes, cucumbers, whatever you want. So there you have shrimp Alfredo potato instead of noodles. So anyways, I hope you like the recipe. Try to get the cookbook. Should be real easy. Probably 20 people watch this video. So anyways, you all take care. You stay safe. You stay healthy. And I will see you in the next video.